right, Bob Fowler here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, and I'm standing on the back of Harris Grand Mariner SL. It's the second down the line from their Crown, and not only is this a great pontoon, it's 25 feet, all kinds of room for your family and your friends, benefits. You can ski, you can tow, whatever you want to do. This boat is fast. It's got the 350 Verado on it, and smooth controls, fast, efficient, and it's got your back bench back here. One thing I like about all of they're on really nice hinges on all of your cushions. You got storage down here, and then of course your lounge seat here. Two adults very comfortably back here. I've got my stereo remote controls here, and also plug-ins for my phones and input with MP3 or whatever you want to do for your stereo. And I've mentioned before, on your gates, all of your doors and gates on a Harris will withstand 400 pounds of pressure and weight against it. Heavy duty ladder, heavy duty stainless steel everywhere. All of your construction, the joist members are closer. You don't have any crumple areas on the outside. Everything comes to the area. All of your tunes are crumpled fit. They're not butt end. So there's just a lot of things about a Harris, and I mentioned this before, I mentioned to you again. Go to YouTube and any of the Harris construction methods that they do. You'll be absolutely blown away and impressed the way a Harris is put together. So this is the backside, and you can do this very comfortably. Now you're ready to go forward. So let's do that. Come on. Hot day here in Panama City, and I'm standing under a great canvas top, the bimini top on this Grand Mariner Harris. And as you can see, this has the optional audio, JL audio speakers for the back. So if you're pulling tubes, you want some music, you pulled up to the beach, you want your music, you've got it right coming out the back, and with your lounge chairs and things of that nature. Love the captain's seats on the Harris. As you can see, on both sides, we've got the captain's seats, high back, very comfortable. Both have bolsters. Your nice dash, everything right here in front of you, your JL audio, your Simrad electronics, all your toggle switches, your Mercury digital throttle and shift controls, so smooth. Power steering. Again, this boat has the 350 Verado, so she's going to fly. You go by most boats out here on the water, and it really gets attention. Also, this boat has a fold-down changing area, and you can fold this out of the way. And also, it goes right down into this compartment, so you don't even know it's here. Folds right in. There you are. I can do a little bit better job of putting that camera back in there. All of your doors in the Harris, you've got the full piano hinge, and they will withstand 400 pounds of weight and pressure, so they're not going anywhere. Got more storage here. Got index storage. It's big enough to put skis. All of your cushions are on hinges, and they're dry, so they're not going anywhere. They're not going to fall off the boat. There you have just a little short walkthrough of your Harris 250 Grand Mariner SL right here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. This is Bob Fowler wishing you a very blessed day. Bye-bye.